Hi, my name is Elaine Suarez. I'm a career coach at Cleveland State University. In this video, I'll show you how to get the most out of your HireAVike account. HireAVike, which is also referred to as Handshake, is our university-wide job board and career management tool. It's the go-to place for internships, on-campus positions, and part and full-time jobs seeking college students and graduates. If you need one-on-one coaching or support on developing your profile and using HireAVike, please contact us at careers@csuohio.edu. Let's get started. To log on to HireAVike, you want to go to our website, csuohio.edu/career-services. There you'll find the Students tab, and right here below it, you'll find HireAVike. You can also see it here on the quick links. This is what it will look like when you're logging on. So here you will log in using your CampusNet information. So you already have a profile in there. You just have to sign in and get on. Once you log on, this will be your home page here. And first, I want to show you what your profile looks like and how you can update your profile. All right, so if you're logging in for the first time, you'll want to take some time to update your profile. Anything you see, any section you see here can be edited by clicking the little pencil here. And you want to go section by section and start customizing this to what you would like employers to know. For the picture, we do recommend that you have a picture where you're dressed professionally or as if you were going on an interview in front of a plain background. And if you need assistance or suggestions, the Career Center is happy to help you with that. Here is a short introduction of who you are. So here you can indicate what you're studying, what you're interested, and how you can contribute to an employer. What you want to pay attention to is this profile completion bar. So you want to get to 100% complete. When your profile is complete, you're 5 times more likely to be approached by employers. You also want your profile to be visible to employers. This can be changed in the settings. Once it's visible to employers, you can be searched by an employer. So if an employer is looking for a student or a candidate that has your skill set, you will show up in their search once your profile is public. You'll want to indicate what your interests are here. So here, what type of positions are you interested in? Are you looking for internships, on-campus jobs, full-time positions? What cities are you looking to target? And then pick a couple roles that interest you. In your skills section, you'll want to include as many skills as you can to really highlight your strengths and the skills that you can contribute to an employer. And here in your document section, you can upload your resume, cover letter, writing samples, anything that you would want to show an employer. Some other pieces of your profile, you can include project descriptions for any big projects, research projects, group projects that you've done in your classes. You can include some related coursework, so courses that are in line with your area of work that you're interested in. If you're involved in on-campus organizations, if you have a leadership position with an organization, that's something employers love to see. It demonstrates leadership skills, and that's something you can include in the organizations and extracurricular section. Then you'll want to include your work and volunteer experience. So here you want to highlight the various positions you've worked in, the skills that you've gained, the accomplishments that you've had, what you've contributed. And to start thinking about the transferable skills that you've developed within your different positions and how they apply to the positions you're applying for. Okay, so let me show you how to search for jobs on Handshake on Hire Like. So if you go to the Jobs tab here, this is where you can identify positions that you would like to apply to and apply to them. Currently, you can see we have 4.4 thousand positions on the system. You can search by different keywords. You can filter by location, what type of positions you're interested in. So let's say I'm looking for an internship. I want to stay in the Cleveland area. And I'm interested in marketing. Okay, so 69 positions came up for that search. When you look at a job description, it will tell you if you match up to what the employer is looking for, although you don't have to always match up exactly. And if we view the full job description, this is really cool here. You can see other Cleveland State alum who have worked there or are currently working there. Here you can read reviews about the experiences that students have had. All right, something else you can use the system for is to access the Career Center. So here you can schedule appointments, you can look at some resources that we have. You can add any internship or job experiences. And you'll also find additional information on our staff here. The Q&A function is another opportunity to connect with others to do career research. So here, say I want to explore the area of insurance. Here are different entries from students across the country, and you can read through those. It can be helpful in the internship and job search, when you're interviewing, if you're looking at some career exploration. And you can also, again, connect with peers. So through the students function, you can see where other students are interning, what they're doing, what they're putting on their profiles, as long as those profiles are public. So I hope you were able to learn one or two new things about our job board. I hope you will get in there and start working on your profile, connecting with employers, connecting with fellow students. And as mentioned, we're happy to help you through the job and internship search process through creating a strong profile. Please connect with us at careers@csuohio.edu. Thank you.